Good afternoon. I would like to congratulate Eric Smith on 45 years of working here at Presbyterian Hospital. It's been a very long journey for sure. We both have been through a lot of changes at the hospital. I know Eric for about 30 years, and he always had a great attitude, and he's a great person to work with, and he's always dependable, and overall a great personality. We used to trade a lot of stories with him about movies and old boxing fights that we used to remember from the past, and he was always a good conversation person to be with. Overall, once again, I'd like to congratulate Eric and wish him the best, and hopefully someday he can enjoy retirement and come to visit every now and then, okay? All right, good luck, Eric. Bye.
So, Eric, it's been such a pleasure to work with you over all these years. You've really taught me a lot. Your presence in the radiology department is just, you brighten up our day with your smiling and your humming and all your little songs, and the way you interact with patients has really taught me a lot about patient care. It's just been such a pleasure to work with you, and I'll never forget you as a person. You have the best heart of anybody I've ever met. So thank you so much for everything over all these years.
Hi, Eric. Congratulations on your 45th year here at Penn Presbyterian. I just want to say thanks for your hard work and working in the ER and dealing with everything that you've been dealing with for the last 45 years. You've been a great coworker. Keep up the good work. We appreciate you. Thanks.
Congratulations, Eric, on your 45 years of service. Woo! It's great seeing you every day coming in. You always have a positive attitude, and everyone enjoys working with you. All the patients love you, and can't wait to see you soon.
I work with Dave Scott off and on with his supplies. He's a great worker. He's dedicated at what he does. He works very hard, and he's always willing to help others. As I've known him for the 6 years I've been here, he's been a very nice person to work with. And it brings joy to see David getting his 45 years in.
Hi, Dave. I remember going way back to 1992 when I first started here. I remember seeing you hanging around the OR when you were working there in debate with all your pals, talking about the latest sports topics. And then I heard you were coming to our department a few years later, and I remember thinking, wow, we're getting Dave, that's great. I remember his enthusiasm and his energy, and I look forward to working with you, all that energy. And since you've been with us, I look at you as a ninja with superhero powers who can push a cart with equipment on it, grab a few oxygen tanks behind them, and wheel a ventilator alongside of them, all in a single bound. I just want you to know that your efforts don't go unappreciated. We really enjoy having you in our department, and I just want to say congratulations on a big 45 years here at Presby.
Welcome to the continuing story of David Scott. So last time I think we joined in here, it was celebrating Dave's 40th year. So we fast forward, Dave's celebrating 45 years here at Penn Medicine and Penn Presbyterian. Dave started in 1976. He had a few jobs before coming to respiratory care, but we've worked with Dave since, I've worked with him since 2004. So the last 17 years, Dave has worked with us. Not a lot has changed with Dave. He's constant, he's a hard worker, he's got great ethics, he wants to do the job the best way, and he is so very proud of the work that he does. So for the respiratory department, he's the guy who just keeps our equipment straight. He's the person in the hospital who's delivering tanks to everywhere they need tanks. He keeps an eye on our oxygen supplies. So he works hard every day. Sometimes I have to tell him to go home, or I have to tell him not to come in so early. So these are the bigger problems that I have with with Dave, as you can imagine. We are so happy that he's been with us and really want to congratulate him on his 45th year. And we know that someday, I know that he'll retire at some point, and on behalf of the department, we wish him well. At that point, we wish him well today, but when he does retire, I just want to give a little shout out that we're going to need 2, maybe 3 people to fill his spot. So Dave, congratulations, and enjoy this celebration and enjoy everything that life has for you. Thanks.
Wow, Barb, 40 years, what an accomplishment. I'm so happy for you. I've known Barb for about 6 years now, since I started in the NAC role and then progressed to the nurse manager role. She's always been a great support system, always someone I can count on to always help, no matter if it's for rapid responses, for staffing. She's definitely always there and in my corner. So I appreciate that. You always make everybody in the Bed Hub and the NAC office feel extremely special on their birthdays, going out of your way to make sure that they have a special day and enjoy their cakes. 3-layer cakes with edible flowers and candles and everything special. Even during COVID, she had a little flame turner outer. So thank you for always making everybody feel special.
Hi, my name is Caitlin. I've most recently started working with Barb in the past year as a nursing coordinator. Working with Barb is such a privilege. She has taught me so much, and it's such an honor to learn from someone so well experienced. Together as NACs, we always joke that if Barb ever retires, she's going to have an on-call number because she can answer any problem we have. Congratulations, Barb. I'm so excited for you. 40 years. I hope I know half as much as you do.
I've had the pleasure of working with Barb for many years. She has so much experience that everybody benefits from. She's always willing to take the time and explain clinical situations to anybody that needs that extra information and support. I think the thing that's most remarkable about Barb is she comes to work every day with the same enthusiasm as if it was her first day. She's always willing to try new workflows or anything that could help improve our patients' experience here at PPMC. And I do take that back. The most remarkable thing about Barb is her amazing cakes that she takes the time to make for everybody's birthday, and she makes it unique to them and the things that they like in their life. And I think there's many remarkable things about Barb, but those are the 2 things that really make a difference when she comes to work every day and for our patients here at Presby. Thanks, Barb.
Where do I begin with Barbara? Barbara's been my friend for many a year. We've worked together side by side in bed management. I couldn't possibly have done my job without her. We're like a team. We bounce ideas off one another, and I just love her. Actually, we're more than a team. We're more like a family in bed management. Can't get no closer than we are. If one of us is sick, we call. If one of us needs consoling or if somebody needs to talk, we talk to each other. We're just like a small family. Also, Barbara she's phenomenal with cakes. I think she's the cake whisperer. She makes cakes for everybody. Congratulations, Barbara. This is your 40th year. You deserve all the accolades in the world. You're the best nurse that I've ever known. I'm proud to call you my coworker. I'm proud to call you my friend. I'm proud to call you my family. Keep it up, Barb. We love you.
Hello, Diane. I wanted to take a moment to congratulate you on this monumental milestone, having worked here at Penn Presbyterian for 40 years. We are so grateful to have you here as a nurse and an exemplar patient advocate. I feel extremely blessed to have worked with you for the past 13 years. It's hard for me to describe how much I've truly learned from you. You've really taught me how to be a conscientious nurse who truly cares for the patient and makes sure that they're the center of your day. But not only that, you've also really mentored me personally And when the time came, also taught me how to balance work and family life as I became a wife and a mom. You absolutely mean the world to me. I feel so blessed to have gotten to know you and learn from you for the past 13 years, and wishing you a congratulations on this huge milestone and many more years to come.
So Diane's been 40 years at Penn. That's almost as long as I've been alive. But think of all those patients whose lives you've changed, all those nurses who you trained and mentored to be hopefully half as good as you, all those friends you made here, ride or die friends like Sieta, and mostly to all the surgeons whose life you made better as we came through those OR doors at 7:30 in the morning. And I'm sure in 40 years this has been a thankless job, and I'm hoping that maybe some of my thank yous today will make up for some of that. So Diane Andrews, thank you for being such a hard worker, going above and beyond, not just for me, but for everyone around you. Thank you for your compassion to my patients and to all those around you. Thank you for your hard work and your dedication. Thank you for your loyalty, especially to the Philly sports fans. You certainly have made me a better surgeon, but also a better person, a better son, a better friend, and also a better husband. So thank you for all that. I love you, and I'm hoping to that you last another 20 years while I'm around. Thank you.
Hey Diane, it's Sieta. It's been a long time. You are a magnificent person to work with. You know I couldn't let this day go without giving you a congratulations. 40 years, wow. Every day that I work with you, it's like I feel so relaxed because you are so competent. I love the care that you do for your patients. It's just words can't describe how, I can't even think of words to describe you. You're so excellent. I feel like you're a sister. We've been doing colorectal for a long time, and there's never an issue where I don't feel like you can help me out with something in the case. Anytime something new come up, you right on it. A patient has an issue, you're right on top of it. I just wanted to tell you I'm very proud of you and congratulations. I just hope you just keep it up. I mean, I don't want you to retire, so don't think that's because it's 40 years you can retire. Stay here with me as long as I stay. I'll get you a beautiful cane. You can walk with that cane. Good luck, Diane. Congratulations. Love you.